welcome back to my channel. It's me, JazzbeautifulHair, and I am coming back with another video for you. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I've never done a story time video with you all, so I wanted to share one with you. Me and my friends went out to a karaoke spot at Promontory in Chicago. If you've never heard of Promontory, it's in Hyde Park. We went to Red Cup Karaoke, and I'll have that link right here. I'm going to pull the video up and we're gonna listen to it. This is how the video started.
This nigga out here macking. This nigga out here man. You better come and get him. If this is your man, you better come and get him.
I have a good time, y'all. I'm very mature for my age, first off. But I'm also very realistic with life. Like, this is my friends too. They really goofy. So we not people that's like really stern on things or try to like, oh, we too old for that. So yeah, we clown a lot. We play, we drink, we laugh, we sing childhood songs. Like, this is the things we do. Like, we legit have a good time. And that night, we ran into somebody that quite didn't do the same. When you're hitting a certain age or you're out, you have to put on this persona that you're just, you know, no, I don't do that. But I like enjoying being young and being, you know, an adult. And yes, I like to talk nasty sometimes. And yes, I like to drink Douce on the weekend. I might indulge in a little bit of adult action. I like to flirt and I like to look good. And I love showing my breasts out in dresses and stuff. I like to wear short skirts and go out on the weekend. Girl, do you? They need to know the real, okay? Do you can own a business, you can have fun, you can listen to ratchet music and gospel in the same minutes, you can listen to ratchet first and turn your gospel on every 3 minutes, you know, you can do that. But overall, just be a good person, okay? So that's the whole deal with that. So we ran into this guy. He was trying to talk to me, holler at me, spit some game, get my 7 digits, get my number, I guess. And I was just like over it at this point. I'm like, look, I'm not here for that. I'm out to have a good time. So this is what happens. Walter, I am working. I am working. Well, I am an extra ass person, so the gag is no. I am being me. I am being me.
So what I need you to do is to stop recording, whatever that is.
This is work. This is what's paying.
It's called pause.
Y'all ready?
That's the reason why there's a pause and an unpause.
I don't pause when I'm working because I'm making coin. Tell him how to make coin. He was ugly. Is that okay to call people ugly? He wasn't my type. That's a better way of saying it. So I'm like, Walter, you know, I'm not here for that. You know, I'm working. That night I was vlogging the video for Red Cup Karaoke. And while I was trying to talk to me, he told me, you're being extra. That's what you're doing. You need to turn your phone off so I can talk to you. Extra is my middle name. I am extra. Look, ladies, first off, don't change who you are when somebody's trying to talk to you. Like, be who you are. See if they can handle that. I am very, what can I say, a nice word to describe myself. Outgoing, loud sometimes. I need somebody that can handle that. Walter, it's just not you. This is the gag. Let me continue this video.
We've talked, we chilling. I'm not looking to talk to nobody though, or to exchange numbers with nobody. So I'm out trying to work for real.
Trying to work what? Where you work?
My name is JazzbeautifulHair. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat,
Also,
Twitter, Facebook, and I am a up and coming cosmetologist, licensed, went to school for it, got the paperwork. Also, I am a YouTuber, vlogger, so you can follow me on there as well. I host events. They call Mimosa Sunday. If you go on Eventbrite and you look them up, there's going to be one in January. I'm hosting an event November 17th. It's called BTA. It's a non-for-profit organization.
Girl,
so those are the things I'm doing. And that's dope.
You better advertise.
Straight to the point. Get shit done.
That's dope. You should come out. We looking for, you know, we network with different black-owned businesses, different people that's like doing different things.
To this man.
We speaking directly. This is like a lot of information right here we giving to each other. this is the thing. This is the problem with. Let me tell you something. This is the.
I do.
This is Robin. She checking him.
If she understands a gentleman and can classify what that is.
But what? We know that. We know you for all of 14 seconds. Wait, let me have this.
Did this man say, if I understand a gentleman? What is a gentleman about you? I've already told you. I don't want to talk to you. I already told you. I am working. I'm trying to record a vlog. What makes you feel that you could continue to try to pursue me after I already told you it's not going to happen? The girl say, no, don't fault her for that. It's about 20 other girls finna come out of promontory. Why you gotta try to talk to me? After I said I don't want to talk to you. I'm finished. Let's finish this video. Let's finish. This is the...
Children?
I do. 13
You got any
to 8.
daughters?
Yes.
Would you want your daughters to change the numbers with people they met on the street?
If she understands a gentleman and can classify what that is.
But what?
We know that. We know you for all of 14 seconds.
Wait, let
Guess
me have
what?
this.
Stop
But this...
skipping and jumping and singing tomorrow.
Oh, you
tomorrow.
definitely ain't no gentleman.
This is not a gentleman. Come on now. Be real.
If a nigga told my daughter stop skipping and fucking jumping, I'll tell him get the fuck on. Tia, it's time to go.
Understand that I'm not trying to do anything other than business with you. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm doing business out here. Okay. And if you can't respect that, you definitely can't get a chance, because this me 24/7, okay?
Do you know what a quality assurance engineer is?
Do you know what I'm not looking for that is? I'm just not.
Okay.
I'm just not.
Period. If you're not, I'm here to do business, sir. I'm not here for that. Stop talking to me.
Then this is what this man said. I'm a very nice person, so I come off very nice to people.
You are.
And I'm glad you get that. So just take it as that. I just invited to you like 7 events. And I rarely like network with people that are disrespectful, kind of rude. But
So
I'm giving you a second chance. I feel like you came off at that a couple of times because you told me I was doing too much, and you constantly still trying to like exchange numbers with me. Leave me alone.
You was doing too much.
You
I said you was hopping, skipping, and jumping.
But that's what I'm doing. Okay, come on, say it again, cause I'm just trying to understand. I'm just trying to.
She good people.
Thank you. I'm just trying to be nice and respectful. You know, you too.
Again, don't come like that, cause you gotta come correct. That's not correct though.
I'm trying to teach this man.
Yeah, but and I'm not even speaking for regular women. I'm speaking for Welsh women. You know, Welsh last name Jasmine Welsh. Follow me on Facebook. Plug it. I'm out here.
Now that I'm sober and I watch this video, I was sleeping.
I'm out here plugging.
But that's what I'm doing, and that's why I be so irritated by guys though, because, and this ain't even for you. This just in general. Like, guys be like, what you doing? And you tell them what you doing. You spill out your stuff and they be like, but you doing too much. No, I'm doing it just correct. Like, this is what I do.
But the flip side of that coin, if he was like, all right, and walked away,
that would be
like,
fine.
A lot of chicks will both be like, man, that nigga don't even try. They don't even put forth no effort.
But this ain't effort no more. This is like over the top. You get what I'm saying? It ain't effort no more. We all understand like how things come off. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just be like, all right, cool. Damn, you do that and you understand, okay, she just turned this into business, so let's focus on business. I do this, and I was interested. I was really interested in what you know. I'm like, that's dope.
It's still trying to smash.
And I said, that's exactly. Come to the BTA, buy a ticket, inbox me on Facebook like, yo, when is the event? And that's fine. And that's fine.
So, I see you do box braids. All right.
Okay.
Cool. So what you doing Thursday so we can have an expose on box braids?
So what was my question? How did I turn it? I said, do you really understand the quality assurance?
No, you ain't flip it the right way though. You ain't flip it the right way. You flipped it like, fuck what you saying. This is what I do. You should talk to me because this is what I do. And it don't even be about that most of the time. Like when we talk to guys, it don't even be about this is what you do. Because we got our shit going already. You know what I'm saying? It's like respect what I'm doing. Respect that I already told you I'm trying to network, hustle out here. Respect that I'm out here on business. So if you see I'm on business, be on business too. Until I'm not on business, then slide in. You know what I'm saying? But you ain't do that. And I'm just saying this is how I feel. He was direct as fuck. Because you too direct. You gotta be smooth, you know? You gotta be playing with it, you know? I'm just saying, I'm joking at this point, but not playing with. But you get what I'm saying? Like being over direct, kind of is like.
I want to submit something. You were like, yo, you kind of came at me sideways on this shit. I'm from Ohio, so my whole
it's different.
Culture
okay, I feel you.
You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
when I submit and admit that I don't like that shit.
So that's the other thing. You already told me what I was doing, you did not like it. So why would you continue to try to talk to somebody that's doing something you don't like? And that's the problem with men. Robin, that's the problem with men. Let me tell y'all. You trying to talk to a woman, first off, approach her correctly. Make sure you peep the scene. If she had you up, friend, she having a good time, and you in the room or you around, give her a minute. Let her finish laughing. Can she get her laughs out? Can she get her joke out? Secondly, if you try once and it don't work, you know, maybe you caught the wrong, maybe you don't even know why it didn't work. Maybe you like, okay, I approached at the wrong moment, so I'm going to try one more time. And you try twice and it don't work. Give it up. It's over with. Cancel. She doesn't want you. She don't want to talk to you. It could have went real left, but it didn't because, you know, I tried to be a good person. I understand this man might not have been raised correctly. Like, number 3, you know what you like. If the girl is out and she's dancing, you meet a girl in the club. She's dancing. She is like not sitting down dancing. Then you try to talk to her. Y'all start talking. Y'all start dating. And then you mad because she go out dancing too much. You met her in a place where she was dancing. Of course she likes to go out dancing. Bro, no, don't try to talk to that person. Okay, this video should be almost over. Doing something you don't like. And that's the problem with men. Robin, that's the problem with men. Let me tell y'all. Okay, y'all. So listen, this is the problem. He just said this. Now tell me if I'm being crazy. Men will look at you, but you doing some shit they don't like. And they be like, I don't like that shit, don't do that. I said, well, why you would continue to try to talk to me if I'm not doing something you like? He said, do you see how you look? Don't be, but listen, but I look, okay, I look good, but I'm doing something you don't like, so don't pursue me. Exactly. This is me. So if I'm out and I'm doing stuff that you don't like, guess what? You want me, now you want me to change. You want me to, if we end up talking, I want me to talk to you first. I think by the end of this, Walter apologized. I appreciate that. That's dope. Like, see, I like that. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm really just happy. I'm just. Okay. Okay. Eyes are eyes.
He told me where I went wrong.
Period.
And predicted I was gonna go wrong before I did it. My arrogant ass still did it.
And it happens sometimes.
That sums up the story time with Jazz. Y'all, just try to be a good person. Approach these women like a man, okay? That's what we want. We just want a good man. And don't be sending us off. Don't be something you're not. Walter is who Walter is. Period. So be who you are so that we can dodge you easy. You know, don't be a snake. It's a woman that wants those things. I love my nails on this camera. If a woman that wants those things, she'll go for you. If there's a woman that don't want those things, like I, myself, we're going to easily be able to scope out the situation and move around, okay? Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing to Jazz Beautiful Hair. Remember, it's what makes you beautiful.